All right, so I just filmed a, did you see this? A tutorial. It's like a 5 to 7 minute long makeup tutorial on this look right here. I know a lot of people are stuck at home right now and they kind of just want to do a little extra something, and some people just don't feel like doing their makeup for 5 hours, and some people, I don't know where I'm going with that. Anyways, here's my 5 to 7 minute makeup tutorial, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And like I said, it's 5 to 7 minutes long, so we're just gonna like cut to it. So, gonna start with the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. It's basically just a tinted moisturizer, and I'm going to be using a brush because wetting a beauty blender takes time, and I'm trying not to take time. I like using a tinted moisturizer for an everyday look, just because it's a little bit more of a natural type of finish, and you can build it up in areas that you want to have a little bit more coverage. Now I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass concealer. I find that this one has a more liquid base to it, so it doesn't crease a lot, and that's really nice for every day, because who wants to spend time buffing out all those creases when you could just simply use a brush and knock it out. So for an everyday kind of look, I like to go from the glow within instead of the glow sitting on top of my face kind of look. So I'll just be applying these Iconic London drops on my face, and I actually don't drop it on my face, I just rub it on there. And I will blend this out using a dome-shaped brush. I feel like some people are such perfectionists, which is fine. I don't find that I am one. I think if you're blending everything really well, then it looks like you've spent time on your makeup. Like, I don't think you have to spend the longest time ever to look put together. And the liquid looks way more natural than like a dusty, powdery one, especially for like the everyday gal. Honestly, I don't even have time to put my powder brush in powder, so I'm just gonna take whatever's left, press it in there, bam. That was loud. I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer really quickly. I find that this really just makes a huge difference on my face. I don't really know why, but it does. And since my eyelids are a tiny bit veiny, I'm literally just gonna take any like lighter, you could even just use your powder if you wanted to, lighter shade, and dust it on there just to give it a little bit of coverage and brighten them up. Again, we are a girl on the go. I don't have time to draw in all these eyebrow strokes. My eyebrows are semi-thick, so I'm just going to use a gel, flick it in there. It's a tinted gel by Tarte. Blush is the most simple application ever, so I really recommend throwing some on. It makes such a difference, and you can be messy with it. You just, slap it on. It makes a huge difference. If I had to choose for my everyday quick look between a cut smoky crease and like a brown eyeliner, I would totally go with the natural brown eyeliner. You could just totally stop here and add some mascara and lip and you're good to go. But for me, the little flick of a brown eyeliner makes a huge difference if I have time to do it. And if anybody wants to know, this one is the roller liner by Benefit, and it's in the shade brown. This stuff is so great, especially if you're a beginner on wings. I feel like it doesn't put out too much product where you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna totally mess it up. It really kind of lets you ease into your wing. It's not too like harsh of a line, so. And especially if you're like me and you're just not naturally good at wings. I feel like mascara, it's really important to get one that like really, really makes a difference. And I just wanna do a few blinks of this and be done with it and not spend like an hour using some like decent one. So this is Big Ego by Tarte. I feel like if you take your lashes and you curl the wand and then bring them this way, it really makes them look so much longer. Honestly, just like dusted some on my bottom lash line too. I love wiping all of the like product off of my lip. I don't know why, it's like so satisfying. But I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs Sugar High Gloss, and it kind of works as a lipstick too, but it's also super moisturizing. So yeah. I think that's it. Hopefully this was in the 5 to 7 minute range kind of look. Hopefully you learned something, and I know a lot of you people out there are super busy, or you just don't feel like spending forever on your makeup. You have other things to do, which is totally understandable. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And now I'm gonna go take a walk with Dylan and probably do nothing for the rest of the day. Hey, bye.